To remove a credit card from your Facebook Ads account, start by navigating to Ads Manager. Click on the Billing section, then select Payment Methods from the menu. Once in Payment Methods, locate the credit card you wish to remove. Click on it to select, then click the Remove button. Meta will prompt for confirmation to ensure security. Before removing a card, ensure you have admin permissions in Ads Manager. You cannot remove a card if it's the only payment method on your account or if it's tied to active ad campaigns. Update the billing method for those campaigns first and make sure there are no unpaid invoices. After clicking Remove, Meta will send a confirmation via email or app notification for security. The card is removed from your account instantly, but complete deletion from Meta's systems may take 24 to 48 hours due to processing. This ensures compliance with PCI DSS standards for payment security, as well as GDPR and CCPA requirements for data protection. Only admins or editors with billing access can remove payment methods. This is controlled via Business Manager, where you can assign roles to users. To manage this, go to Users, then People, and then Assign Role. Billing is managed at the Business Manager level, so use granular permissions. Removing a card only revokes its association with the ad account and doesn't affect past transactions. Meta might hold funds for 7 to 14 days for potential chargebacks, so keep that in mind. Always enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. Meta's Q3 2025 security report shows that 2FA reduces fraud by 15%. It is important to note that cards are tokenized and not stored in plain text.